Hello guys, my name is Murian-Coush Addem. I am head of the faculty Enterprising and Informatics, and I will now today show you some kind of Knime scripting in Knime and with Python. And I set up some kind of small detail flow in the background, and we have something here. I added some Python script. Yeah, the one thing you just should know is how to integrate the script in code wise. So, for example, here now we have some input data with some username here and so on and so forth. And we want to use this script from from the base. We want to use it here, and some kind of important things you need to know. And yes, I can show you around through the script, and it's the base script on the top. It doesn't really matter. It's just some defined functions, but the bottom is really important here. So we have on the first hand we have the entry into here, and the entry into here will be with the Knime function. So it will be neo, and my neo is from here. So it's you have to import that. It's just some library from Knime, and then you are using input tables with a zero here in for the first one, and with a one for the second one. And you see here, this is the zero, and this is the one. So this is what is actually happening. And then you have to do the two pandas, and this is basically df input. And sometimes maybe you could maybe forget how to do this here, so you would run into error. So yeah, the another thing would be here on the bottom, the output. So the output is the NIO table from pandas from your df output, and df output the data frame output basically, because panda is using data frame. A data frame is this on the bottom here in a panda. So yeah, it's basically a table. So, but you need to convert it to a name table. So this is what this doing here. And of course, the same like the input tables with a zero here. So this will be the first output. You can add to also another output here, output table, output anything. But this is also what I did for this here, by the way. I did click the plus, output the input the table, and then yeah, but this one can go. So this would be the input tables two, the third one. So yeah. So this is basically everything you have to know about the Python integration tool. And I am very happy to hear from you. And yeah, best regards. Have a nice holiday, and goodbye.